Withdrawal of resignation for central government employees. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of officials. It should not be referred as guideline of government. In case of any variance in this training material, the government guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. In this video, we will discuss the procedure of withdrawal of resignation. The procedure of withdrawal of resignation, after it has become effective and the government servant has relinquished the charge of his earlier post, are governed by the Rule 26 from 4 to 6 of Civil Services Pension Rules 1972, which states the conditions on which resignation can be withdrawn. If a government servant who has submitted a resignation sends an intimation in writing to the appointing authority, withdrawing his earlier letter of resignation before its acceptance by the appointing authority, the resignation will be deemed to have been automatically withdrawn and there is no question of accepting the resignation. The date on which resignation was accepted is the date on which resignation became effective. The appointing authority may permit a person to withdraw his resignation in the public interest on the following conditions, namely, that the resignation was tendered by the government servant for some compelling reasons, which did not involve any reflection on his integrity, efficiency, or conduct, and the request for withdrawal of resignation has been made as a result of a material change in the circumstances which originally compelled him to tender the resignation. That during the period intervening between the date on which the resignation became effective and the date from which the request for withdrawal was made, the conduct of the person concerned was in no way improper. That the period of absence from duty between the date on which the resignation became effective and the date on which the person is allowed to resume duty as a result of permission to withdraw the resignation is not more than 90 days. That the post which was vacated by the government servant on the acceptance of his resignation or any other comparable post is available. Request for withdrawal of resignation shall not be accepted by the appointing authority where a government servant resigns his service or post with a view to taking up an appointment in or under a private commercial company, or under a corporation or company wholly or substantially owned or controlled by the government, or under a body controlled or financed by the government. When an order is passed by the appointing authority allowing a person to withdraw his resignation and to resume duty, the order shall be deemed to include the condonation of interruption in service, but the period of interruption shall not be counted as a qualifying service for pension. A resignation submitted for the purpose of Rule 37 shall not entail forfeiture of past service under the government. Rule 37 says, a government servant who has been permitted to absorb in service or post in any corporation or company owned or controlled either by a central or state government shall be deemed to have retired from service from the date of such absorption and shall be eligible to receive retirement benefits, if any, from such date as may be determined. In this video, we have learned about the withdrawal of resignation. If there is any doubt or you want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.